there is no, like, there's nothing out here. Hey guys, so I'm headed to Salome. It's about 4:50. Gonna get there around 7:38, which is right at sunset. I gotta take a couple pictures of some lots, and or just one lot for this new listing I got out there, and move a sign as well for a closed lot, and then get back. So my route ready and everything. Getting there at 7:39. So let's do it. So we just made it to the supercharger. Probably gonna have to sit here for a little bit, 20 minutes. It's about 6:30, 5 minutes left on the supercharger. The whole reason why I'm even out here today, because I was just out here last week, is I got a call from an agent this morning saying that they had a client who, just because I had a lot of presence in the area of Salome, this little town in the middle of nowhere. Basically, now I'm out here. I have to get the sign ordered today, send over all the docs, but killing two birds with one stone here by going and getting this first sign moved that for a lot that I just closed on, and then getting these pictures. It's kind of a 2-for-1 deal. So plus I can write off the mileage as well, so not too bad. Yeah, it looks like we just hit the enough energy to continue. So the next clip you'll see of me is digging a hole for this sign, or probably taking the sign out, digging the sign out, digging another hole. Out into the middle of nowhere. Sun's kind of like already down, but take some shots. Every time I come out here, it's like always last minute thing. I need to stop getting here right when the sun set. Film, but it's not too bad. It's good lighting now, and the temperature. I can't even fly this thing without it being under like 104 degrees, so. No, you're okay. This dog keeps, yeah, my dogs are the same way. Yeah, okay. Just so quiet outside, so. Yeah. No, for real estate. So the owner of this lot is putting it on the market, so I'm taking some photos from the sky. Yeah, it's okay. This dog he's like my dogs. There is no light outside, and then you're gonna see me dig a hole. So I'm gonna use what is the little landing pad? Still no satellite? Where is it? Okay. Okay, that really just hurt. Okay, we're out here. I got the sign. I'm gonna go put it in the ground right now because there is no, like, there's nothing out here, but there's no light. And I don't know, there's some really nice people, those other people it's literally 8:10 p.m. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put the sign right there, probably right within the boundary. Y'all, I'm still figuring out stuff with this camera. It was a great investment. So guys, when I say I don't have time left, this is the sunset. I think last light's in like 10 minutes, so let's just get this done real quick. see anyone else out here doing this shit. I gotta be the best in the middle of nowhere, and so be it. It's getting real dark though. Getting hard to see. Over here. I mean, is that deep enough? There's a light. So, I'm done. I'm going home. I'm done. Okay, so just made it back to Buckeye, a supercharger, and I had to take a little detour because the 10 was at a standstill with the traffic. So I had to take a dirt road in the middle of nowhere. Which is, it's whatever, but my car is covered in dust. You did it. You made it all the way through. This is the 4th time you've been through Salome. Did what needed to be done and don't have to go back out there until the sign is delivered. It's 10 p.m. right now. At the supercharger for another like 30 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. Pretty tired. I have an open house. I'm doing a open house from 10 to 7 every single day up until Saturday. So from June 16th all the way, 17th all the way until the 23rd. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I learn a lot. Working on conversations and how to get more contact information. I know I'll get better at it. I already know I will. I actually made the realization today. I'm like, getting good at something is just like driving a car, right? When you first drive a car, it is freaking out. Like the first time I ever drove the car, I absolutely like freaked out. Now it's just like second nature to me. So it's the same thing with real estate. I've been driving I'm 19, so I've been driving since I turned 16 or 15 and a half, and I've been driving for 4 years now. Oh my, what? Yeah, so 4 years and it feels like second nature, so why can't it be the same with real estate is my thought process. So we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, I mean, that wraps it up for tonight. I'm realizing I have to get used to the fact that I'm gonna have to get comfortable with working hard and consistently with no results and no sign of hope for at least 2 to 3 years, at least. And then there might be something. But right now, that's what I'm trying to get comfortable with. If I just focus on getting comfortable with that simple little fact, like I can do anything. I'm untouchable. Anyways, we're done. Charged enough to continue the trip. There's usually 2 chargers at my apartment complex for electric vehicles, and one's broken and the other 2 were taken up, and I was at like a 16% charge. So now I had to drive back to a supercharger, which was like 10 minutes away, and now I'm here and I might as well get some work done. It's 11:15. I'm pretty tired. I'm like, should I just sit here and scroll on Instagram or something, or chill out, or do I just get some work done? And I chose the latter, writing up listing documents for one of my new listings. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'll be at the supercharger for like 15 minutes or so, and then I'll go home and finally sleep. Made it back home, good amount of charge there, and I'm dead tired. It's 11:36. I left at 4:50. Got the open house tomorrow from 10 to 7, so just need to get some sleep tonight. But Salome trip number 4, so one day I won't have to do these trips anymore. Super duper wealthy. I got a pretty good feeling that one day, soon enough,